Hey guys, so I'm doing a quick tutorial video today on how I trim my bangs and my hair. I started on freshly washed and conditioned and styled hair. I have my handy dandy shears with me. And what I did was style with the Giovanni's leave-in conditioner and Kinky Curly Curling Custard and some olive oil. I part my hair in the middle and I use that as kind of my center point for my bangs. And now I'll just kind of fluff it. And I kind of take just the hair that frames my face and I pull the rest back. And what this does is it kind of like lets me see like where I want my bangs, because you don't want it like straight across even. That's kind of crazy looking. So I just kind of pull hair out, and the hair that's longer, of course, will be the ends of my bangs on the side. And from there, I just go in the middle and I just trim pieces off until it's kind of right center of my eye. You don't want to cut it above because then it'll be too short. And so right here, my hair is like 95% dry. So when I pull it, it will kind of stretch out. So my hair is not too short, but it falls perfectly. But I don't cut too short because then it looks all crazy. And if I do wear my hair in any other style, like if I wear it back or something, it doesn't necessarily go in a ponytail. So what I have to do is slick it back and use a lot of gel and product. And I don't like doing that and wearing headbands all the time. So I try to keep my bangs short, but not too short, since my hair is curly. If I were to straighten it, of course, it would be much longer. But for curly natural hair, because that's how I wear my hair pretty much all the time, I rarely ever straighten it. This is perfect for me. And like I said, I just kind of go through, I'll scrunch it up. And you don't want to cut the hair while it's wet, because when it's wet, it's heavier, so it appears longer. You want to wait till your hair is very dry. Like if not 100%, no less than 90, because anything less than that, it's going to be, you're not going to get that correct measurement. So always do it while it's dry, and just kind of keep in mind that you don't want it too short. And like this is perfect because it's still got some length to it. And so now I'll just take it down out of the ponytail and I'll fluff it. And this is the same way I trim my hair. I'm not going to trim it too much in this video just because I'm trying to get some more length. And I don't have as much damage as I usually do. I have been moisturizing my hair, and I found a really great way to moisturize it. So I'll show that in the next video. But right here, my hair is like the best it's looked in like months. And I changed one simple thing. And I know you're going to be like, really, why didn't you do that before? But like, I've been really struggling with my hair lately. So this is the first time that I've trimmed my bangs in a long time. They did get really long. So I think it's cute and I love it. And this is how I generally wear my hair all the time. For my bangs, I don't grab too much hair in the front just because it sits on my face. And I don't like when hair sits on my face. So I keep my bangs very thin per se. Like I don't bring a lot of hair to the front. Like it's really just, if I were to wear my hair in the, like parted in the middle, it would just be those like strands that would be on the sides of my face that I bring to the front, and I just cut those. So yeah, it's really simple, really easy. Make sure the most important thing is when you're trimming your hair and you're natural is that you do it while it's dry, because that's the only way you're going to get an accurate measure of length. Because if you do it while it's wet, your hair is like way longer when it's wet. And once you cut it while it's wet and it's dry, you're gonna like really see, oh, I cut like 5 inches when I only meant to do ½ an inch. So make sure you do it while it's dry. I made the mistake of doing it while it's wet years ago, and I learned my lesson. And then like getting my hair styled when I went to salons and stuff, then they would do it while it was wet. And like now looking back, I'm like, wow, that's like really the worst way to cut hair, because that's how you can go into a beauty salon and say, I only want a few inches trimmed off, I just want to trim, and you come out missing inches. And that's happened to me. So cut while dry, make sure you style it. Like I said, here I use Kinky Curly and Giovanni and some olive oil, and it really had my hair soft and manageable, and I could really see what needed to be trimmed. Like I said, not too much. I haven't really been dyeing my hair as much, guys, because it did dry it out, but I did not take care of it to where it needed to be to stay healthy. So when I do go back to coloring my hair, I will incorporate some more moisture into my routines. But yeah, it's really simple, really easy. And I just go through just getting the few extra pieces that may just be kind of out of place right now. And after a few days, my hair, well, actually after a few hours, my hair will fluff up enough to where like my bangs will really pop. I usually get diva cuts, but I haven't had one in a long time actually, so I think it might be close to time to getting a diva cut, just because I love the way they shape my hair, and this is a similar method I feel that they use. When I usually go get diva cuts and I want to shape, they usually will go in and pick pieces, cut the tips of those off. I usually do it myself as well. Like, I'll let a diva stylist kind of give me that foundation, and then like I just maintain it from there. But I'm not gonna do that just because my hair is like at such different lengths. As you can see, like some is long and then like some is short, and I do still have color that I'm trying to grow out. But yeah, like just let it dry, and then after it's fully dry, like I said, my hair is only 95% dry. It will look way better. And I didn't even cut that much off. Like you can see, it's really not that much hair that I cut off. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoy. See you next time. Bye.